When it comes to the darker shades, there's not enough to pick from. And my shade should not be the third to the darkest shade. Oh, honey, sister, girl. But I don't like this because I would not ever. Hello, everyone. Hi. I'm very excited about this. Today we'll be talking about the Beauty Blender Foundation. Bounce on me, bounce, 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 bounce on me. Let me open it because I've never opened it. Before we get started, I'm gonna make this really fast because I'm rushing. So before we get started, make sure you subscribe, turn on your notifications as well. Okay, let's get right into it. I purchased the shade 4.5. It retails for $40. It is said to be lightweight, full coverage for combination skin, oily skin. I have oily skin. It is also said to last up to 24 hours. So I'll be wearing this for 24 hours. I love doing a wear test situation, so I'm so excited. It's pretty. I first of all love the packaging. I do feel rich with this. You know I love to feel rich, honey. I love to feel rich, okay? So I do feel very rich with this. This is very, wow, this is, I'm here for it. So you can, it looks like you can turn it on or off on this side. I don't know what this is for. I don't know. And then you bounce the Beauty Blender right on top of it. But okay, first let me prime. I forgot to order the Becca mattifying primer that one of you lovelies suggested that I order in the comment section. Oh gosh, I totally forgot. So I'm using, literally, you could see right through this. You could see right through this. Like, it's that gone. I'm gonna use that as my primer. I don't want to use Summer Fridays because I'm not sure if Summer Fridays is too moisturizing. I don't want anything to tamper with its 24-hourness. I'll look together by the end of this. Now that I'm all primed up, I'm trying to like see, I don't know when it turns on. Okay, so I guess it's off, so I'm just gonna push this over. I've been playing with it to see. How do you see? I haven't watched any videos. Like when I review stuff, I don't watch any videos prior to because I just like to give my own, I like to give my own authentic thoughts. It's not coming out. How do you, oh, okay, I'm bugging. Okay, so you push this down. You probably have seen 1,000 videos do this, but I don't care. You push this down and then it comes out. Okay. Let's see. It came out. Cool. That's a, honestly, girl, that's a cute invention. Another pump in there. I think this is messy. I think this can get really messy in a sense of this may be too dark for me. This may be too dark for me, but you know, I prefer too dark over too light, so we will always be able to work with that. Oh, this is lightweight, girl. Oh, honey, sister, girl. Yes, my Beauty Blender is a little bit damp, which is how they recommend you use the Beauty Blender anyway. So I'm trying to follow everything to protocol. I'm gonna do a little bit more. I can't even tell I have on foundation. It looks very, you know how Fenty, you don't really feel it heavy on your skin. It blends with your skin nicely. Like, that's how this feels. Like, they did a good job with creating it, I feel like, you know. I hope it really lasts 24 hours like that, because y'all know I will leave it on for, you know how I do. You know how I do. It blends with my skin, so it's not too dark in my opinion. I'm gonna push this little lever over to the other side, and look, the thing is locked. You can't push it. It's such a cute invention, but I don't like this because I would not ever, I would not, like, as cute as this is and as much as I love how it's created and the packaging, I would have to wipe this up after every use because I would not ever put this away on my dresser or put this or carry this with me anywhere with makeup stains on it. So that to me is a default in the creation. That's a default in the creation, but I do love this. It's just like practicality of it. It's cute or whatever, but it's not as practical, okay? It dried really, really fast. Like, it's dry. Like, it was drying as I was putting it on. And we are dry, honey. I'm gonna do my eyes and be right back. Like I said, I'm rushing, so most of this video is really gonna be about the wear test, the 24 hours. I'll be right back. So I had to run an errand and that took like an hour and a half. So this is how I was holding up an hour and a half later. I just put on concealer. So I'm going to blend that out with another beauty blender. I only have 2 beauty blenders, guys. I plan on purchasing more, yeah. I have 3 Fendi brushes. Therefore, I should have at least 3 beauty blenders. Because the beauty blender is really my favorite cosmetics sponge. It's just so good. Like, it's so good. Usual Laura Mercier. I mean, what else would I put on? I think I overdid it this time. Catching that brow bone, honey. You already know she's the stepsister we never really liked, so. I don't even have a stepsister, by the way. You know how in the movies, the stepsister is like, you know, the one you don't get along with, the one you pay no mind to. Yeah. Okay, we're back. Fenty on my eyes, by the way, and a little bit of Pat McGrath, of course. The Fenty, what is this called? This is her new one, Moroccan Spice. I haven't gotten her primer yet, her eyeshadow primer. I have not gotten that yet, so when I get it, I'll incorporate it into another beauty video and we'll see if it makes it more pigmented or not. But I didn't see a point in like walking you guys through what I'm doing if it's the same exact primer I usually use and there's no different consensus. Hands up real quick with my Iman situation. You know I love me some Iman. Love me some Iman. I don't see anyone use Iman product. Like I'm sure her pieces are selling, but I don't see anyone on YouTube like using her product. She should just like hit me up and be like I don't even know, but but I like her stuff. Well, I like her little bronze thingy. I've had this for years. No, I'm not recommending you use makeup you've had for years, but I've had this for years and I'm fine, okay? Woo! Okay, you should already know what I'm about to, you should already know. Like the Smashbox Vlada, whenever I do a little pinky situation on my face, you should already know I'm using a Smashbox Vlada Petal Metal Lusciousness. No, it's not called a lusciousness, but that's what I call it. It's the best pink highlighter ever. The best rose golden pink highlighter ever. I'll link it below if you want to like take a look at it or whatever. Well, I always link everything below. So yeah, check below. Check in the description box for everything I'm using. If you want to, I don't know, check it out, whatever. I'm down with the get down because I get down. Almost spilled my lip peach. Huh. Girl. So I'm putting that right on top. Yes. Yes, Lord. And then we're going to hit those inner corners. Shout out to the eye booger. I'm putting on ColourPop Rouge. I've always liked this color. It's a good like burgundy. Yes, I've done a look similar to this before. I know, but I love it. I love this burgundy color. It's lighter than LAX. Everybody knows LAX from ColourPop. It's like one of their famous lipsticks, but it's lighter than LAX, but it's still like a great burgundy to throw on if you want to, or brown in situation. I love it. Okay, let's wear her out. I have quite a few things to do today. I'm gonna keep this on. The time oh darn it, I turned off my phone. I put on the foundation at 9 a.m. and then came back and did the concealer and all that other stuff. But now that my makeup is fully finished, it's 11 a.m. I'm gonna run around now and do what I got to do for the day, okay? I'll check in with you intermediately throughout the day as usual. I have one con about it. My shade is 4.5 and that's the third to the last shade in their range. And that's a problem because their darkest shade is not dark enough. There's many girls out there who are much darker than that darkest shade, and I just feel like companies need to start catering to those girls as well. This is a continuous problem in the beauty industry, fashion industry as well, but that's a whole nother topic. Shade range is a problem. There's such a wide range of shades for the lighter skin people, for white people, for anyone who's light. They have a lot to pick from. When it comes to the darker shades, there's not enough to pick from. And my shade should not be the third to the darkest shade. It just should should not. That should not be it at all. But on another note, the pro, that's the con about it. The pro about this foundation thus far is that it dries fast. It is matte. You know I love a matte situation. Don't come over here with that, with nothing other than matte, okay? I love that it's a seamless finish. You know how Fenty is a seamless finish. Fenty is not so thick. It's not, it's thin like Fenty. It's as thin as Fenty is. So if you use Fenty, you might like this foundation thus far. I don't know how it lasts yet, but what I'm saying, thus far, you might like it because they have the same, I want to say, consistency in like how thin it is. Am I making sense? Okay, good. I hope you understand. I'm keeping this on for 24 hours. Let me head out, girl. I don't even know this song, but let's just act like I know it. Okay. Back. Oh, I heard this before. Oh! It's been 8 hours since I originally put this foundation on, but it's been 6 hours since I finished my makeup. Because remember, I put on the foundation, I ran an errand, came back, and then I finished my makeup. So... yeah, it's been that long. I don't see any oil on my face. I don't see any of that. I am gonna touch up my lip a little bit, but this video is not about my lip. It's about the foundation. So I'm gonna touch up my lip right after I'm done with this video. Yeah, it feels great. It still feels lightweight. It still feels good. I still feel comfortable. So, my earring fell, son. Just dawned on me that I'm literally gonna have to like not wash my face tonight, because I'm really sticking it through for 24 hours. The things I do for wear tests, the sacrifices I make for a wear test. I can't wash my face tonight. My makeup is still all the way together. Like, even though my forehead is getting shiny and everything, you know, I have to be honest, like, my makeup is still together, you know, so that's good. One more thing, only my forehead and my nose is shiny. Everything else is still like decent, you know. I might take off this lip. I don't think I want to go to sleep with a lip on. That's a bit much. I'm about to go to bed. A girl's sleepy, okay? I usually don't sleep this early. I usually sleep very late. But I'm about to, I don't know why I'm tired today, but if the Lord wants me to go to bed earlier, then I'll go to bed earlier, whatever. But most nights I sleep late. But anyway, this is how I'm looking. I'm gonna show you how I look in them. Oh gosh, you know what's gonna be crazy? I work out early in the morning, so it's gonna be crazy working out like 6-7 a.m. That's with this on my face. That's gonna be like, that's gonna feel annoying, but hey, you're gonna see what it looks like after a workout, after having it on overnight, after a workout. So all right, I'm going to bed because we're getting excited because I'm filming, so I'ma just take myself to bed. Took the lip off, but this is really random. I used the e.l.f. wipes for the first time, and I really like it. It's super moist. It's more moist than Burt's Bees. I think that's the brand I usually use. I don't know, but girl, get you some e.l.f. wipes. I like it. You know, it's cost effective. You know how e.l.f. is cheap or whatever, so I don't know, I like it. I know it's not in relation to the foundation, but I like the e.l.f. wipes, I really do. Good beautiful morning! Mornings are my favorite. So it's 10 a.m. I'm gonna say that's about 24 hours because I put the foundation on at 9 a.m. yesterday. I came back home and finished my makeup by 11 a.m. So 10 a.m. is like the middle point. I'm tired of wearing this thing, but I really wanted to commit to a 24-hour wear test for you all. Eyeshadow kind of held out. You know, I have the Moroccan Spice and Pat McGrath. You know how I feel about her. But yeah, this is how she's looking, honey. Let's not judge this side. This side smudged off while sleeping. So let's just judge this side, because this is the side where my makeup did not come off while I was sleeping. So as you can see, we are shiny. We are very shiny. We're very oily. But what I can say is that it's still held out. And this is still good for 24 hours of wear. I did not expect it to be matte for 24 hours. That's not possible on oily skin. Maybe if I use the mattifying primer, but I still need to purchase that. I still need to remember to purchase that. Honestly, like the foundation. I like the foundation. I love how it feels. I love how it's lightweight. In the future, I will be using a foundation brush to put it on because I'm not a beauty blender foundation putter oner, if that's even a word. I'm a foundation brush user for foundations. So in the future, I will use foundation brushes. I do think the packaging is cute. Like look at this. Look at this. This is so, honey, this is luxury, okay? This makes me, I feel rich. I feel rich with this one, okay? So I love, love, love the packaging. I love, love, love the packaging. It's really, really nice. I love that you can always turn this on and off over here. Like, I love this. I just wish there were more shades. I should not be your third to your last shade. I should not. I should not. There's so many girls darker. Like, it's a no, honey, no. Besides the shade range, it's a really good feeling foundation. It's a really good feeling foundation. It feels great. It feels lightweight. Even though I wore it overnight, it still doesn't feel crazy heavy. So that's pretty cool. So for those girls who forget to take their makeup off at night, which I would not suggest you do. But for those girls, girl, this would be the foundation for you if they have your shade. This is how she's looking, honey. This is how she's looking. Let me go take this off. I use the e.l.f. wipes that I used yesterday that I was saying, girl, that's so good. It feels so good. But yeah, I'm probably going to use that. I was caught by surprise. I was caught by surprise by the quality of the e.l.f. wipes. I don't know why I thought it would be like, you know. Yeah. Thank you so very much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. I love you. God loves you. Thank you so much. Make sure you subscribe and also check out my other videos right over here. Thank you so very much. Bye.